Normally it's kind of hard to move a slider rig around, but I came up with this design based on the Impact Key Grip low stand and the iFootage Spider Crab support arm that makes it really easy to move your slider around and also to adjust the height on it higher or lower. So in this video, I'm going to show you all the parts you need to make these, whether you have the long version of the slider or the short version of the slider. Also, I want to give a huge shout out to B&H for sending me all the stand parts to put these together, and for the Shark Slider Nano 2460. This thing is so small, yet still lets you get really great sliding shots. The first thing you need to make this is the Impact rolling stand. And this is nice and heavy duty. I did still put a counterweight on the bottom as well. These clamp-on ones are really nice, and I prefer the heavier options from Impact just because they help keep everything stable and prevent any tipping from happening. The next thing you need is you need one of the Impact baby ball head adapters. This gives you a 3/8 thread that you can slot in to the junior pin slot on the Impact stand, and this is very important for actually setting this on top. If you're using the 660 version of the slider, then I really recommend picking up one of the iFootage SA32 Spider Crab arms, and you use this as a way to actually level it out. So once you put the slider on, you can adjust the height of it and use the bubble level on it to make sure that your track is going to be flat. And this is the heaviest side of the slider too. This is the side that has the motor. Some people also may find themselves using a battery on this side, so it's really important to support this on the longer track of the 660 version. To attach this, I'm just using a clamp from Came TV, and I've also got a Suray power bank clamp, and I'm running an Anchor power bank on this to power the whole rig, including the DJI RS4. I have found if you're using the RS4, one of the more power-hungry gimbals on the Shark Slider, it works better if you use a high wattage battery than using one of the smaller NPF styles like I have on the 460. On the 460, where I don't have the gimbal on it, you do need to be aware the rig can still tip around, but it makes it very easy to actually roll it into position wherever you want to put it, and then you can adjust the height of it by choosing any of these, raising the height, and then the knobs on these are really overbuilt. It's easy to get them nice and solid. So I like this because I can quickly adjust my shot to get different shots. And the short version is very ideal for changing the height. With the 660 version, if you want to adjust the height, you just need to open the buckle on the back of the support arm, and then you can lower the column on it, lock it into place, and then I just recommend leveling this again. Typically I do it whenever the slider's actually off. So this is an awesome rig, makes it easy to get your slider anywhere where you need to get the shot without taking up quite as much space as a normal tripod or using two tripods or even my old stand rig that used two stands. So if I wanted to get a clip of this Lego DeLorean, it'd be really easy to do it. Let's use the short version for this. We can go low with the slider, lower it as far as it goes. With this one, I'm going to adjust the ball head on it, tilt it down. So I love how easy this is to move the slider around, get the shot you need real quick, and it also powers the camera as well, keeps your battery running for a really long time. So really recommend this setup with the iFootage Shark Slider Nano 460 or 660 and the Impact stand. If you're interested in building one of these, I will have links to buy all the parts you need to make it in the description below.